In this video, I will quickly show you how to use Clickup for task management and improve your productivity. First, go to the Clickup website or mobile app and sign in to your account or create a free one. Once inside, create a workspace, which is where your projects and tasks will be organized. Now, create a task list inside a space or project depending on what you want to organize. Next, click New Task to add a new task. Enter the task name and optionally add a description with more details about what needs to be done. You can also set a due date, priority level, and assign the task to someone. Another useful feature is breaking a task into subtasks to better organize each step of the work. Clickup also allows you to view tasks in different formats, such as list, board, or calendar view. Always update the task status as you make progress, like to do, in progress, or done. This helps you track progress and keep everything organized. And that's it. Now you know how to use Clickup for task management easily. Save this video so you can check it later if needed.